gosh, how the am I going to get across? I'm going to have to go this way.
What are those girls waving
at
at?
you, Tawh.
I'm fine, eh? Ariatu.
Tawh's about to get discharged and sent back to the local GP for ongoing treatment. Hopefully, highly likely. Fingers crossed.
Just finished in the hospital on the way to pick up Makiri, the princess.
What is that? Yeah, I think it's the helicopter.
Damn.
She will let me through. She's not paying attention.
Mum will explain what happened at the hospital because I listen, but then I forget. I doze off and forget.
So we went and saw the hematologist at the blood and cancer centre called Dr. Jenner. He is the man. And he was straight up, he said, like, he was hoping that the headaches that Tawh's been experiencing would be able to tell him they were better. But they're not. Like, it still affects him and his concentration and sleep and everything. Yeah. And he goes, Tawh's case is a really interesting case. And the thing is, they shouldn't be interesting. Because, like, they should be in and out. And they should know what's going on, but they don't. So he confirmed that everything links to the fact that Tawh had Kikuchi, Fugimoto, which is like having lymphoma without the cancer. Like, you have everything, all the symptoms. And it also can cause like this infection similar to meningitis with this inflammation. So they think he needs to have a lumbar puncture to see whether there's inflammation and whether steroid therapy is what will help Tawh long term recover from these headaches and like kick its ass. Tawh has to go back this week for a lumbar puncture. He also has to have blood tests. We were meant to go get a blood test, but then we found out Dr. Jenner hadn't sent through the form electronically.
It's like my 50th blood test now.
Yeah. So we're going to have to contact Dr. Jenner and get it resent and then go and get it from our local.
They love the way that I act because they feel like I should be worried. When we found out that I might have lymphoma, I was like, oh sweet, that's easy.
Got it. And I'm
oh,
like,
good. They were crying and the doctors were looking at me like, aren't you afraid? What's going to happen? Aren't you afraid that you might die? I'm like, no, I ain't going to die.
But like,
felt like I was, but
they said it's a thing for young people who show the symptoms of lymphoma
to have like
Kikuchi.
Kikuchi
disease, and they really don't know. It could be an infection that sparked it, but in essence, you have everything that's lymphoma-like without actually having lymphoma, which is
all my bleach fans. That's my bankai release.
What's that mean? I don't know, would I?
Exactly. Bankai release. Kikuchi Fugimoto.
It's the real thing. We had to get a medical certificate because Tawh still can't return to school. Yeah. And we'll probably have to extend that once the results come back and we figure out what the plan of attack is. What did he say about if you have the lumbar puncture, what that will, a side effect of that or a post effect of that is?
I might get another but worse headache than I already have right now, which is going to be triggering.
Yeah. This is like, unfortunately, Tawh.
You might. It's a possibility. It's one of the side effects.
I was really wanting to do Starbucks if we got out earlier.
Who cares? Let's go.
Here we go.
Let's go quickly.
We can't, bro. There's no way. Your sister will get caught. Why aren't these cars moving?
Mum, I'm sure you've left me there longer once, and I do remember it.
By the time we get to her, it'll be 5 o'clock, bro.
Okay, to buy.
It's not okay to buy.
You've left me there longer than 5 o'clock once.
Once.
Oh, I enjoy.
I'm totally trying to cheat.
Damn, this is actually a good angle, eh? Like.
Yeah, like, you can see both of us.
And then you can see backseat.
And it's not like puku revealing.
That's off your drivers. It's for me, it is.
Oh my god, he's wearing the same t-shirt
Oh,
as you.
I remember. Wait, what?
The sign. Oh, look how cute they are.
Mom, it's not. You're not in your dramas, okay? Chill.
Do you know what I was thinking? No way.
No, I
you knew
don't.
exactly.
What?
Oh, that's even better angle.
It's the same.
No, it was more angled my way, but that's even better. I totally realised I'm in the wrong lane.
Whānau, koako.
Bro, what the suck?
You should have let me drive.
Well, if you can't go to school, you ain't driving, that's for sure.
Could help with concentration.
No, you go to school, you can start driving. Why have this green and that red? That makes no sense.
That's a good point. Also, this is going to go red, and that's going to go green.
Yeah, that's so stuffed up.
What is that red car doing?
Just trying to get through. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. At the moment,
Wait. Yeah.
you can do that. You can definitely go to school. Time in Wellington, in Newtown, trying to get
The sweet spot.
yeah, just like the right cushion to squeeze it in. Clinic. Oh yeah. Is it still going?